choreography is written to a specific remix of Total Eclipse of the Heart found on SoundCloud. Either grab the QR code with a screen capture and scan in your Photos app, or use a phone and view it on a computer to grab the specific track. This section is divided into a pretty easy choreography I wrote in 10 minutes or less. It uses butterflies, butterfly takeouts, butterfly behind the head, and the side opposite left for petal Inspin flower, as well as the butterfly turnaround to the left. I have tutorials for all of these patterns on my Templeofpoi channel on YouTube. You can use the URL youtube.com/@Templeofpoi to find them.
Do front view mirrored, and so we're going to do the takeout with your right arm first, which will be my left arm on this side. So 5, 6, so it would be 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, takeout, 1, 2, 3, takeout, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, up, repeat, 2, 3, out, repeat, 2, 3, out, 2, up, 1, 2, 3, up. Now butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly, butterfly, big for 2, butterfly, butterfly, big for 2. Repeat that 16, butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second flower. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Butterfly turnaround slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thread 6, 7, 8. And then last 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do it back view now. Okay, which means you can't see most of it. Because like you're not gonna see the butterflies, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly right, butterfly, butterfly, butterfly left. 1, 2, 3 right up. 1, 2, 3 left up. Repeat. 1, 2, 3 right out. 1, 2, 3 left out. 1, 2, 3 right up. 1, 2, 3 left up. Butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel. 1, 2, big 3, 4. 1, 2, big 3, 4. Repeat the 16. Butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second flower. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Butterfly turnaround. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And thread.
Music copyright prevents me from actually playing this multiple times through without doing something over the audio. So I wanted to just break down a couple of things more for you here. You'll notice that what happens is after I complete that first 16 that you saw there, I've repeated again. So the structure of the first 32 counts and the second 32 counts is essentially the same. I'm doing a 16 count choreography, and then I'm repeating that choreography twice in the 32 count section. And this is me doing that second one. Now, when I get to the third set of 32, I actually do 2 different things on the 2 16 counts. The first 16 counts is comprised of the 2 8 count flowers, followed by the butterfly turnaround, and then you can end in the thread the needle with however many counts are left.
Okay, I'll face back view. So you went from the butterfly to the flower. And then I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going down. And then from the down position, I turn. So I'm doing 1, 2, like 1, 2, but in 1 count. So I'm doing 2 counts of music to 1 rotation of the poi, is what I mean to say. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you finish the second flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're ready for a thread needle. So I guess the last thing you did before the flower was you did 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Then, so come back down to butterfly here. I did it like this where I did 1, 2. Oh, I went 1, 2. Your left hand stays here doing this, but in front of your body. And then your right hand is doing this. And then you do the takeout, so you'll come underhand like this. So they should be parallel to each other, and they should be at the same time. And then you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then come back down. Then second time through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the thing is, because we're just filling the end with thread the needles, even if you miss the count by a little, that just means you'll have a few less thread the needles and it'll totally work out. So it's not a problem if you mess up timing wise. That's actually kind of the smart thing about having filler moves at the end. So let's just do it again from the one, we'll do the 2 small, 3, 4 big, 5, 6, 7, 8 big, come down to the butterfly, turn, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then you come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're on your front in theory. But if you didn't get on your front, if you didn't get all the way back to your front and it just takes you longer, don't worry about it. Just, you'll have less thread the needle. Turn back to where you came from. So flip your right hand back over. You're in the overhand butterfly here. Take the left one out, then you turn, bring your right one in, so you'll be an underhand butterfly back here, and then you'll take your left one out again, and then you'll turn back to the front. So you finish the flower, come around, come down, finish the flower, flip your right one, flip your left one, flip your right one, flip your left one, flip your right one.
This is a repeat of the very first preview version of it at the beginning of the video. You might notice that in this version, I'm adding some forward and backward steps while I'm doing the takeouts, although you could easily add side steps going to the left when you're doing the takeout to the left, or going to the right when you're doing the takeout to the right, to keep symmetry so that you stay in the center of your stage. And you'll also notice that I'm doing some slight body gestures here where I'm adding more body motion when I'm doing those extensions. This is just a little bit of style. I only ran this 5 times, so I didn't have much time to add much of the style to it, but it gives you some idea of what you can do to make it more interesting for yourself. And then you'll notice here I end with a thread the needle over the head and then change direction to same direction because of the next section of the piece.